I am going to show you how to get to your science book. So I'm going to cursor down here to links, and I see I have this little happy face guy with the word ed. I'm going to favorite that, and that's my science book. So you're going to click on that. It's going to take you to your science book. But if you'll notice, Gloria is still logged into grade 1, so she needs to change to grade 3. Once in grade 3, you can find all of the units in the book. So I'm going to go find Unit 8, Classifying Plants and Animals. Click there. Classifying Plants and Animals. And I can click through here, and it's just like reading your book in the classroom. So actually can I go straight there? No. So I'm going to have to go to page 311 if I want to learn about invertebrates, or 301. Oh, so if I go to contents over here, I can change to lesson 2. A little easier. And then those of you that have a project to do, you could read about fish, okay?